Hi YouTube, and here's another cold start video for you. As you can see, it's all snowy, and I'm at work today. It's supposed to melt, but we're going to start this. It's a old International 504. It hasn't been started since sometime last fall. So we put those blocks under it because this front tires go flat and keep the front tires from getting around. But yeah, I'll give you a quick look. Old red beast. So my pretty much my tractor I use at work. I've got brush hog on it. It's old, dirty, and nothing special, but it works. Okay, here we go. It looks promising that it might start. The battery still got charged. There we go. Tried to go too fast. Cold today. I'll let it sit for a few seconds. I think I might have flooded it. You're being stubborn today. Well, there you go. Took a little bit of fighting to get started, but it runs again. Hopefully I'll be mowing with it sometime this summer. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.